How to add another story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can add another story on Instagram if you've already added one story. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say that you have an Instagram account. To upload a story at first, you just need to tap on the Your Story icon over here, right? And then you need to choose a specific story that you want to upload. And then just tap on the Your Story button, which is right over here, in order to upload this to our Instagram story. But the problem here lies in, what if we want to upload a secondary story again? Because certainly you can see this time we don't have the plus icon. Well, it's actually very simple to do that, and there's really nothing for you to be worried about. All you have to do is, in order to upload second story, just swipe right from anywhere on the Instagram homepage, and boom, you can see it will take me to a tab where I can simply upload a new story. So just go ahead and this time choose a second story that you might want to upload. Once you choose another story, just tap on the Your Story option, and this will too again be added to your own specific story on Instagram. Now if I just open up and show you, you can see I have basically uploaded two stories in this case. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then add another story on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.